Guys, welcome back to Science Skills and Life Skills with Kiran Kiran. So today you might be seeing that my recording software seems to have changed. So that's because my uh, the recorder that I used to have has kind of crashed. So I'm using a new one. So we are going to make a chatbot today with a Dialogflow. So to take Dialogflow, you can just take the website here. So click on here, Dialogflow. It's going to take you to Dialogflow, and this is the icon. Now, these are the different bots that I've created. So I've created quite a lot. So I've created a Bangalore bot now. To make a bot, you have to click on Create New Agent. So here, now we can come to intents. So what are intents? Intents are groups of reference that the chatbot refers to if for what the user asks. So let's say, and these two are default intents. If you want, you can delete them, but I will suggest you keep it there. So as you can see, training phrases. So what are training phrases? Training phrases are the sentences that the user is going to enter. So let's say the user is saying, "Hey, hi there," like that, and responses are what the chatbot gives. So as you can see, there are four responses. So the chatbot will randomize these. So if the user one time says, let's say greetings, it might give good day. What can I do for you? But the next time someone gives greetings or something else, the chatbot might give, hi, how are you doing? Okay. So let's leave the default welcome intent. Let's see the default fallback intent. So default fallback intents are negative. That is, if the user enters something that the chatbot doesn't know, um, it's going to give these kind of text input responses. And so we have all these responses. So there are so many. This also is randomized. Now where we are going to create an intent for ourselves. So, anyways, the name of the agent is Bangalore bot. So, we are going to tell about Bangalore. So, let's first create an intent about the introduction. And once you have finished your work, you must click on save. Otherwise, it might just discard it. Okay. So, now let's click on add training phrases. And now let's give now we have to play the game of guessing. So, let's say the user will ask, what is Bangalore? Or let's say the user asks, what is Bengaluru? That's the present name of Bangalore. So then let's ask, then what else can the user ask? Let's enter it. I'm going to pause the scene so that we save some time. So as you can see, I have created a couple of training phrases. Now let's enter the response. So click on add response. So here we are going to give a single answer for all these questions. Otherwise, it's just going to randomize, and the user may not be happy with that. So we can just go to Google, ask about Bangalore, and just copy the beginning part. So let's do that. So I have copied the definition, and I'm pasting it here. Okay, now we have the definition. So we have the introduction intent done. So let's click on save. Do not forget to click on save, otherwise your work might just discard. And click on OK because sometimes that happens. So if you see all this is entered, now we can go back. Now let's create an intent about let's say um, great. Mm, let's give transportation. That's a good idea. Let's give transportation. So I do not have to click on save, it's okay, even if you don't. Now click on let's give a training phrase. Just wanted to show you one thing. As you can see, the Bengaluru is highlighted like this. So let me tell you why. It's because they have found a geographical city called Bengaluru. That is our Karnataka Bengaluru. So that's what I wanted to show you. Now let's create more intents. So because this is a beginner class, we are just going to create a few intents. Let's give her responses like so let's go to Google, give Bangalore transportation. So you can give this and write it here, and you can write in the next line, how do I get to Bangalore? So it will just give you a map. So instead of Google, we can just give because I live in Bangalore, I know few things like uh, you can reach Bengaluru by the um, mm, there's one airport called Kempegowda International Airport. So let's type all that. So I'm done with it. So now you might be thinking, what is this majestic train station? So it's actually a train station in Bangalore. So let's save it. So I feel this is enough. If you want to create more, you can, because this is not a full-fledged chatbot. Now we are going to test it here. So this is called the test console. So let's say what is Bangalore. Now you can see its response. So it's giving the whole definition which we wanted. So now even if I give what is Bengaluru, it'll give the same response because both are in same intent. So now if you want to share this chatbot to your friend, you can just go to integrations, scroll down to web demo. So here it is, and click on the switch. Looks like my battery is going low. Now you have to copy the source code but without the quotation marks. So beware, take the source code and without the quotation marks. Now we have copied it. Now if you want to see how the chatbot looks like, let's paste it here and let's see. As you can see, it's written Bangalore bot. Now let's see if it functions the same way. What is Bengaluru? And it's not case sensitive. Like if I give it's taking some time. Yeah. So now if I give what is Bengaluru, but if you see the capital, uh, this is lowercase and this is kind of capital case in some places. So let's see if it'll give the same thing. So as you can see, it has given the same thing. So it is not case sensitive. You can use this link. You can share this link with your friends. So the concept of chatbot is not over yet. We have a lot more to do. So we're in next video we're going to learn about knowledge base. So knowledge base can reduce your workload in programming this chatbot. So until then, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.